My name is Philipp Herlein and I'm heading SKF's Global Vehicle Aftermarket, the business area where we offer products and services to maintain, repair and monitor commercial vehicles, passenger vehicles, trailers and two-wheelers. For us, sustainability in the automotive aftermarket means reducing overall life cycle emissions, while we are helping to extend the physical lifespan of the vehicles out there. The initial emissions of producing a vehicle are evidently high, so it's critical for us to maintain existing passenger car, commercial vehicle and two-wheeler fleets out there. To repair, reuse and recycle instead of buying new goods is important in general, but particularly in the automotive industry. Now the transformation to alternatively fueled vehicles is in full swing, and specifically the EV revolution is supported by SKF and our in-depth bearing engineering capabilities. At the same time, and from an end-to-end environmental perspective, it is clear that we need to maintain the existing fleets out there at their best condition and therefore help the overall emission balance.